Hi, Justin Wrigley, Exit Realty, the Wrigley team. Welcome to 10 Riviere Nation in Casselman. This house is a showstopper. Right across from the river, the boat launch, the park, steps to downtown. Let's not wait. Let's go for a tour. This property has space inside and out, a mature lot, a 4-car attached garage, and a 2-car detached garage. Welcoming you inside is this grand entranceway, curved staircase, formal dining room, this beautiful chef's kitchen with a ton of natural light floods throughout, and upgraded appliances, cabinetry, gorgeous granite countertops. And check out your own private in-ground heated pool, but that's not all. Steps off the pool is your living space with a cozy gas fireplace. Round up your little dinosaurs, grab that popcorn, pick your favorite movie, and sit down for your own private screening. Ascending the hardwood staircase to the second level, you're going to find 4 bedrooms and the main washroom, including your primary suite, with an oversized walk-in closet, updated bathroom, walk-in shower, vessel tub, double vanity sink, and don't forget a cozy gas fireplace. The lower level expands your living space with 2 staircases. For my favorite, take the curved staircase down into the rec space. You'll also find 2 additional offices, a half bathroom, a gym, and a ton of storage space. With almost 2 acres and city services, this property has development potential and could be severed into 2 additional lots. Thanks for taking a tour of 10 Riviere Nation in Casselman. With so many great reasons to call this your next house, it's up to you now to book your private viewing today.